Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be decorating the first week in April in my Wellness Warrior Wellness Planner. I'm going to use Muted Blooms from Jessica's shop, Live Love Posh, the OG Wellness sticker book, and a quote out of the new black and white sticker book. So I did go ahead and pre-choose some stickers. I'm going to lay those off to the side so that you can't see them. So this is Monday, April 29th through, or I'm sorry, March 29th through Sunday, April 4th. And then let's see, this is the current week. So you've already seen that video. So let's put that off to the side. Okay, and I am a little bit stuffy. I think it's from all the pollen around in our area right now, so my voice is a little crackly and I'm just a little bit stuffed up. So anyways, I'm going to start with some flowers down in the bottom corner. And I think I want to make the florals stay within the box. So we're going to try to cut that, or cut this sticker, and make these stay in the box. So let's see if we can make this work. We're going to start there, and then I'm going to use my X-Acto to finish that off. Okay, so let's see. And it is 7 o'clock in the morning, so I am trying to be a little bit quiet so I don't wake everybody up. So hopefully you can hear me. But I feel like really hoarse in my voice. So hopefully it's just pollen and nothing else. We'll see. Okay. So the first sticker is down, and that is very cute. Now, this Happy List sticker is from the OG Wellness sticker book. And this little column here is very narrow compared to most of the other planner, like the vertical planner columns, or sidebars, I guess you would call it. So there's barely enough room for this sticker. But I thought it would be cute to make like a happy list over here. Alright, now I chose the flowers from Jessica's sticker book because they match the OG Wellness stickers pretty well. So I think I'm just going to use some boxes out of the Wellness sticker book and just kind of coordinate all the colors that are in the florals with these boxes. So, and I have started using my horizontal layout as a journal, and I'm really liking that. So that's something that I will continue doing. And I am going to try to get away from all of the like cutting out and letting like the shadowing behind my boxes bother me. So because I did a horizontal plan with me the other day and I didn't cut any stickers, and it was just a lot more simple for me. So I'm going to try to get away from that and quit letting that bother me. Alright, so I think I'm going to, these flowers are really cute. So let me go ahead and show you the flowers that I'm using. So Jessica always gives 2 pages of the flowers in her sticker books. So this is the one that I pulled my stickers from, and I still have this whole other page. So we have these smaller stickers that I thought would be cute to kind of layer with my boxes. But again, I am trying to coordinate all the colors. Where's my tweezers? I swear I just had my tweezers. I'm trying to coordinate all the colors in the flowers with my Wellness sticker book Did I just eat the tweezers? Okay, I have no idea where I put them. Oh, I found them. Okay. So I think I'm going to put this Be Happy flag in this pink box. And then I do want to kind of put this little flower somewhere. So that's cute there. And then I thought it would be fun to take some of these small clear stickers and just put up in the top box of the intentions. So this is usually where I put my the times that I wake up, but I don't write a whole lot in this planner, especially now since I have a journal. So I just mainly keep up with like food and mood and the times that I wake up and the times I go to bed. So I don't need a whole lot of space in this planner. So these little icon stickers are really cute. They're in that wellness sticker book. I'll show you, you have quite a few options. Let's see, I found this sticker book at Michael's on clearance for like $5. So I actually bought 2 of them because these, I mean, there's just lots and lots of these pretty colorful boxes in here. So you just kind of can't go wrong when you find a sticker book for $5. So anyways, we have all of these icons, and then we have these that would be really cute up top. So just little ways, you have these that are rose gold, little ways to decorate your intentions. And then you also have this page. So this is where I got my wake up early and my stretch sticker from. Alright, so let's move to this side. Well, let's see, actually, I've got 2 more stickers that I wanted to put on this page. So I've got this today sticker that I'm just going to put randomly up here. And then I kind of want to pair it, let's see, put a flower somewhere, this purple flower, just to kind of scatter some flowers along the page. And like I said, I'm not going to be particular about cutting a lot of stickers. I'm finding it much easier to kind of stray away from doing all the cutting. Alright, so we have this corner floral that I am going to put up here in this top part. And I think I'm going to go ahead and cut this so we can make it straight and stay inside of these boxes, and then I'll come with my X-Acto and finish it off, just like I did down at the bottom. And the only issue I have is that the wellness, the boxes in this wellness planner curve on the edge, but I think I may cut that straight. We'll see how it looks when I cut it. I'm trying to be better about cutting straight lines too. Yeah, I didn't quite cut that good enough. So I'm going to move it over just a tad so that it kind of comes to the edge of these boxes, because I did not get it quite to the edge. Okay. Maybe it's just too early in the morning for me. I've been awake since 4:30. Okay, that's better. Alright, now we're going to do the same thing with the little icons. And so I'm not going to put one on Saturday and Sunday, of course, but I like this little stretch girl here. And then we have Eat Well. Alright, and then we're going to fill in with some boxes, just like we did on the other side. So I'm thinking I'm going to just put this one maybe right here. I'm going to offset it a little bit. I should have offset the other one on the other side too, but I didn't think about it. And then I'm going to come off with this pink one. And this one says today was, Okay, I'm going to put that there. Alright, that's a cute little cluster. And then I have this little purple flower that I think I'm going to put right up here in the top of this green box. Okay, and then I'm going to put a quote down at the bottom with a floral. So this says, "Celebrate each little victory." I'm not going to white out any lines. I'm not going to be so specific down here in this grid section. And I could probably put a much larger floral, and I think I will. So I chose this. Actually, I don't think I will. I think I'm going to move this over because I don't want to have too many florals on one side. So we're going to move the quote over this way and then put my floral to the left of it because I don't want to be too uniform. I want things to be similar but not lined up and like perfectly symmetrical. So I think we're just going to put that there. And I think this turned out super cute. It was very easy. So I did white out these lines back here, but I didn't white out down here. And I may go ahead and do that here in a minute off camera. But other than that, I didn't do really any cutting except these two areas. So, and I just think it's much easier to kind of not be such a perfectionist about my spread. So I really need to work on getting away from that. So let's put it back in my planner, see what it looks like. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope you'll give it a big thumbs up. If you're not following me over on Instagram, make sure you follow me over there. And if you're not subscribed to my channel here, it's free. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and click the little bell on the side there. Change your notification settings to all. That way you get notified whenever I upload. This is it. I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.